Emma loved her old wooden toy box. Every night before sleeping, she placed her favorite toys inside it carefully. One stormy night, she heard a tiny whisper. "Help me." Emma quickly sat up in bed. She looked around her room, but nobody was there. The next night, the whisper came again. "Emma? Under the red rabbit?" Her heart beat fast. Slowly, she opened the toy box and moved the red rabbit toy aside. Under it was a tiny golden key she had never seen before. Suddenly, her closet door creaked open by itself. Emma was scared, but she walked closer. Inside the closet, she noticed a small locked drawer hidden behind old clothes. The golden key fit perfectly. Click. Inside the drawer was a faded photo of Emma's grandmother as a little girl holding the same red rabbit toy. There was also a note. "To my future granddaughter, courage unlocks every mystery." Emma smiled warmly. The whisper was gone forever.